Every day, these gates receive animals that will enter one of the world's most complex processing systems. But what happens after they pass through these gates is far more surprising than most people ever realize. Because from a single animal, this facility can recover food, leather, minerals, industrial materials, and much more. The first material to be recovered is blood, collected separately and transferred immediately into a controlled processing system. Inside the plant, it is separated and processed into useful blood-derived materials before moving to its next destination. What began as a biological byproduct has now become a separate processed material, while the next major transformation is already beginning. Next comes the hide, where a tough natural material begins its transformation into leather. First, the hides are cleaned, prepared, and carefully trimmed before entering the next stage. Then comes tanning, the critical stage that converts the prepared hide into a stable leather material. After finishing, the once raw hide emerges as durable leather, ready for an entirely different industry. Now the meat moves to its own line, where skilled workers separate the valuable cuts from the remaining bone. Each cut is trimmed and portioned, turning the larger sections into consistent products ready for the market. The finished cuts are weighed, vacuum-packed, and prepared for storage, distribution, or export. Packed and chilled, the meat is now ready for its next destination, local markets or international export. The separated bones are collected and cleaned, because even this material still has value. They are then crushed and processed under controlled conditions, preparing the material for mineral recovery. Grinding and screening separate the mineral-rich fraction, producing a material that can be used in approved feed applications. The result is a calcium and mineral-rich ingredient that can enter approved feed formulations for poultry and livestock. Even the horns and hooves are collected, sorted, and sent into their own specialized production line. After cleaning, these hard natural materials are cut and shaped into precise components. Grinding and polishing reveal a smooth, durable surface, suitable for premium crafted components. And with skilled finishing, these once overlooked materials become components of premium leather goods. The intestines are separated and collected as another valuable material, destined for a completely different product. They are thoroughly cleaned, sized, and prepared until the natural material is ready for its next use. The finished casings are inspected and packed, ready to become an essential ingredient in sausage production. Next comes the fat, separated from the meat and collected in large quantities for rendering. Inside massive rendering vessels, controlled heat separates the fat into a purified, usable product. It is then filtered and purified, removing unwanted material and producing a cleaner rendered fat. The finished rendered tallow can now leave the plant as a versatile industrial raw material. The next stream is the edible organs, carefully separated, inspected, and directed into their own processing line. After cleaning and trimming, each piece is inspected before it can move toward the final packaging stage. Once sealed and chilled, these products are ready for distribution, another part of the animal entering a separate supply chain. Some of the remaining connective materials enter another specialized process, where they become the raw material for collagen and gelatin. Through controlled extraction purification, the useful proteins are separated from the prepared material. After drying and finishing, the refined material becomes a useful collagen or gelatin ingredient for approved downstream applications. Before shipment, samples from the different production streams are checked. This verifies that the finished materials meet their required specifications. From one animal, an entire network of products emerges. Meat, leather, minerals, casings, rendered materials, and specialized goods. Once approved, the products are ready for the final stage: storage, shipment, and distribution. From this single facility, finished materials now begin different journeys. They are supplying markets and industries far beyond the factory gates.
If you found this transformation fascinating, subscribe to Facts in Factory and discover what happens inside the world's biggest factories.